Hello, everyone. It's Mike and
Herman.
Herman, the Mike and Herman show. How about that?
Yeah,
I like that.
Mike and Herman.
We're here for round two. Let's see Herman design today. We're doing a European hand-tie bouquet. We've got Asiatic lily stock, which is like Wall Street stock. We've got yarrow. We've got roses, pretty white roses, and hypericum berry, and America's favorite flower, carnations. Yeah, I know you hate them. But if they just came out, I would say if they just came out today, Herman, everybody would love them. They'd say, oh, a burst of solid color to fill up my design. Carnations would be as hot as anemones or ranunculus. We are American School of Flower Design. Today I'm with Herman, and you are from where again? Remind our audience.
The west suburbs, Forest Park, Oak Park, roughly.
Chicago, and he once lived in a fun house.
Yes.
We learned that in episode 1. Episode 2, tell us something else that we don't know.
Something else.
Before we start designing flowers.
Well, I've done a lot of things for a person who's done nothing. I've done pet deliveries.
I like that.
Yes.
He said his most interesting gigs in life are from Craigslist and
Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace.
I once drove a pug to San Francisco.
A what?
A pug.
An
elderly pug.
A dog?
Yes.
From Craigslist?
From Craigslist.
From here to San Francisco?
Yes.
In your car?
Yes.
What was the dog's name? Quick. Oh.
It was 2017. It was a wild time.
Yeah. Just in a car.
Just in the
for
car.
Their owner.
Yes, because it was elderly and couldn't be on an airplane for that reason. I guess the change in altitude would have done something to his respiratory system. So we had to get familiar. It had separation anxiety until we got to Iowa. Eventually it got comfortable. And we
Iowa
drove through
was
the mountains.
This is a weird story. This is
so
why I have my new show called The Hot House, because I get good stories out of everybody. Yes?
Yeah, eventually we made it. I almost got stranded in Utah on the way back. It was a wild time. I met a buddy in Colorado Springs on the way back. It was...
Let's just forget the flowers. Let's just talk about
I got a million of these stories. My life has been interesting.
So you drove there and then drove back?
Yep, 31 hours there, 31 back. I did it in maybe 6 days.
Oh my God. And did you like the dog?
Yeah, generally pets are okay. Pets are hard not to like.
You're supposed to love dogs. You love
Yeah,
dogs.
so they're hard not to like.
Yeah. Here we go. You're going to cross the stems. We're teaching you how to do a European hand tie day. You don't want to do straight up and down. You want to cross and keep them all about, look at me, just about the same height with a little slightly lower as you go on. Look at this, crossing, then switch hands. Don't hold it real tight. That was your problem in the first round. You hold it a little lower, and look what I'm doing. Just come from all angles, looking at the top. Oops, see, now I need more stock. I got a lot of stock in there, one side, so I gotta put it all around. And let me add a few more flowers. And Herman, you can start whenever you want. So that's where I'm at so far. Crisscrossing through your hand, like swords through a magician's box, coming from all angles. Lots of pink carnations to use. So look what I'm doing. I'm adjusting it a little bit, putting them nice and flat. It's pretty much a flat bouquet with a slight curve. You gotta get used to this, just holding those things and opening a few fingers. Watch I do this. I just open a few fingers and pinch it and then wrap the rest of my hand around it. All right, ooh, you're better already, your second time. Keep going, Herman. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name's Sandra. Sandra.
What did she do most of her life?
She just retired a couple years ago from the VA hospital. She was a secretary.
Keep going. Yep. Keep grabbing
Down
that
the
tree.
baby.
I'm going to show the camera mine so far. This bouquet is good for any reason. Going to a dinner party. Welcome to the neighborhood. Second date. I love you, Mom. Happy birthday. Just because. There's a million reasons. Turn yours in the camera, Herman. Let's see. Yep, he's there. He's going. More white roses. Enjoy. Take them off. You need some power lifters, I call them. Here. Put in 3 more. Yeah, look at the top and look at where the flowers are scattered so you know where to add the next one. Flower School 101. We have schools around the country. So go to the website, Flower School 101. Now I'm going to circle mine with a little bit of lemon leaf, like that, just to put a little garnish on the plate, and it fills out your design. And then I push these down, I go like this. Give it a thing. We have schools, as I said, around the country. Watch the videos on my website. You'll see what guys like Herman do after 1 week. Spectacular work. It's easy if you're taught properly. I used to work on Wall Street in New York, and I went home to Milwaukee, where I'm from, walked into a flower shop. Long story short, I never left. I thought, I can learn this. This is a trade. It's math, science, and architecture. Ooh, Herman, let's see. Math, science, and architecture. Let's see. Like 0 to 60 from your last one. Keep going.
Perspective makes a big difference.
Here, put all these in. I want you to put all this in, and then the biggest mistake you made last time was your greens. Tuck your greens and see how mine, they're barely short. Ooh, that's pretty. The Herman and Mike show, flower show. Brand new today. And Herman was thinking of, when he said in the last video, he was thinking of doing flowers. He kind of manifested his way into my school. A little bit of greens and you're done. So if you want to learn how to do this, Flower School 101, what's the secret to my flowers living for weeks, not a week? Average American is 5 days, weeks. Bleach in the water, crowning glory on the top. Where is it? Right here. This will seal your flowers in it's basically a melted candle in a bottle, and it'll seal everything, and your flowers will last you 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 weeks. Pull it down too high. Way underneath, way underneath. You love those greens, don't you? Way underneath, hardly showing. There you go. Add about 3 more pieces. And when your flowers are wilting, completely submerge them under water. This one, way there, way underneath. Flowers are wilting, put them under water, and they will come back. They're like balloons. You're going to blow the balloon back up with water instead of air. Let's see. Show me the top. Pull that one in, and a few more pieces over here. You're done. Show the audience. I can't tell whose is who. Point at the camera. Look. I don't know anymore.
Getting closer. Perspective makes a big difference. Working from up here versus down here.
I've done 7 million of them, and his is almost as good. Little green right there, tuck it in like that. Now turn your bouquet and do a couple pieces right there and cut that. Right here. Here, sometimes I give him a haircut. Problem solved. A little greens, let me see it now. Point it at me. Put a piece of green, put the green there, one here. Yep, look at the top, not your head, where you need it, right there, and then another piece right there. And it has, flip it around so it's arching out. Always use stuff how it grows, right there. One more piece over there, and he has done the European hand-side bouquet. Good, now at the camera, bye-bye. Thanks for coming to the show today. If you want to be a guest on the show, send me an email. Tell me why I should have you on my show. Learning how to do flowers. Thanks to Herman, my special guest today. Flowerschool101.com. See you in class. 1 day, 3 day, full weeks. Online classes.
Sure, we're good. This is amazing. This is literally my second one. It happened so fast.
He's never done. Flower School 101. Keep blooming. See you later.